Hi, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to cover some 5 apps that you never knew exist. And I'm sure that my friend, after you watch this video, you are going to say, oh my God, did I really even know these apps exist? My friend, these apps are mind-boggling. But before we go into the whole process of explaining this, I want to tell you this. Hey guys, welcome to Teach Computer Academy, where we teach you computer skills the simplest and easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to improve your computer skills, you will be updated and you can start to show your computer skills to your friends. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be afraid. Just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back into the video. So my friend, the first app that I'm going to cover is called MyHeritage. So if I can just come close, this is how it looks like. This is the logo. You will find a link in the description that you can go and download. So my friend, all I need to do is just to run this app, just like that. Then you'll give it some time to load, just like that. And then in here, I'm just going to go for my photos. And what this app does is that it colorizes black and white photos. So my friend, if I can just click on this photo, and my friend, all I need to do is to click in here. You see this icon, I just click on it just like that, and it will rotate in the screen and show you what it is doing. Just give it some few moments. Look at that, my friend. I'm so happy to see it. Look at this. This is the before and this is the after. My friend, this is mind-boggling. Look at that. This is the before and this is the after. My friend, I know you are saying maybe it's colored wrong in the eyes, but we can correct this inside Photoshop, and this can be really good. For one click, I can say really this app has done us very good. So my friend, that is not even enough. So my friend, if I can just pick this photo, that was, colorizing, right? I colorized this photo from black and white. Let me show you the before. This was the before, and my friend, this is the after. I don't know if you can really see this. Look at this. Let me focus here. My friend, look at this. This is the before and this is the after. It is very good. Now, that is not even mind-boggling. Look at this. If I can just click on this very icon here, my friend, I can be able to animate this photo and bring it to life. Just give it a moment and you see. My friend, look at that. I'm so happy to see that it has just brought this photo back into life. Look at that. I am very happy. My friend, we can try another photo and try another photo and try another one. So for example, if I just click on this and my friend, I hit on this very icon, it can now find out the face. After it finds out the face, my friend, it will animate it. My friend, it has located the face, and just give it some few moments and you will see what it has done. Now look at that. Look at that. My friend, I am so happy. Look at her eyes. You see, it has just brought that picture back to life. So if you have an old photo from your friend or from your grandpa or grandma and you want to see how she looked like, you can absolutely do this. Let me replay this. I like where she is smiling. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but let's give it a moment and see. Just a minute. Now look at that. She is smiling. My friend, I'm so happy to see this. This app is just amazing. It is called MyHeritage. You can try your own and see how it works. And my friend, I am sure you will be happy. The second app that I want to show you is called Fluid Simulator. So let me just open this. You'll find a link in the description. My friend, look at that. If I just do like this, look at that. It is doing mind-boggling. Look at that. I think I like this. and you can just play around with it. You know, you're bored and you just want to see some simulation of these fluids and some colors. It is amazing. That is not even enough. If I can just come to this icon here, my friend, you can change some of the settings, maybe the dispersion and all that, and you can try here and see how it looks like. My friend, you can even change the time, you can change the radius, you can change even the boom and all that. If you want it to look like smoke, you can put it off. My friend, you can get it back on, and now look at that. If you go down here, there are other settings that you can do if it is colorful or something like that. But what is amazing, and my friend, what is mind-boggling, is if you hit on this, you see this, if you hit on set wallpaper, my friend, it will bring you here, and my friend, I can just choose like that preview, and my friend, I can choose from this very previews and set as home, just like that. My friend, if I come back and now look at that, if I touch, you see it is moving. It's mind boggling. I love this, my friend. Whenever you touch it, it is now showing you whatever you want to be shown. And my friend, I'm so happy to see this. I know this app will be your best, in fact, if you want a wallpaper. So my friend, allow me to go to the third app that we want to cover here, and the third app is called battery sound. My friend, this is how the icon looks like. Battery sound, let me just clear that. You see, it looks like that. So my friend, all I need to do is just to open it, and once I've opened it, I'll make sure that this is green, right? Once it is green, it means it is on. So all I need to do is just to plug in my charger, and once I put in my charger, my friend, it is going to tell me something. I am charging my phone. Can you give me some time? I need to charge my phone. Look at that. It is talking to me. My friend, you can always do this on your own. So for example, if I need to add another voice, all I need to do is to come and look for the sound recorder. I don't know where it is placed on this, but this is not my phone. So allow me to look for it in here. Or basically, I can search for recorder, just like that. And then I want to record another sound so that we can try it and see. So let me just hit on record. Hey, I am so happy that the phone is charging, and I want to try this up and see if it is working. So my friend, that was long, but I'm sure you are going to create something that is not long. So I can just call it charge 2. Sorry for the spelling. Charge 2. Just like that. And all I need to do is to come back to this my app here, and now when I'm here, all I need to do is to click on this plus icon, and then I will scroll up to where it is written sound, and I'll just say file explorer. Then I can happily come and choose this my very audio, and after that has been done, I'm just going to hit on this icon to save, just like that. And my friend, this will now replace that, and we don't care. So it is connected, and all I need to do is to remove the cable and just return in and listen to that very audio. I am so happy that the phone is charging, and I want to try this up and see if it is working. My friend, look at that. I think I like this. It's just for fun anyway. It's mind-boggling. My friend, I want to go to the next app, and in case you're finding value at any given point, feel very free to like this video. The next app is called Remote Mouse. My friend, this is how it looks like. I will link them in the description. So all I need to do is to open this, and my friend, this one allows me to operate the computer on my very phone. So all you need to do is to go to your computer and search for, remote control.net, and you will download their server. After you download that, you will install it, and my friend, all you need to do is to connect on the same Wi-Fi, and then it will sense your computer. So for example, here is my computer, Aero Productions. So my friend, all I need to do is to click on this, and my friend, it is now going to load, and after it has loaded, it converts my phone into a mouse. So maybe let me just show you on the screen. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Let me just do that. So my friend, you can see I can use this very let me place it here. You can see it is now operating the screen. I don't know if you can be able to see that, but I love this, my friend. I can absolutely operate my very computer using this very app. So all I need to do, my friend, is just to move. So for example, if I need to type in here, I just place the cursor here and I do, I think I've set the speed at high, so I click there, my friend, and all I need to do is to access the keyboard, and I can happily delete what I've written there. After I've deleted, my friend, I will now search for something like Duncan, just like that, Kazungu, just like that. Then I will hit here and then it will search. So my friend, you can see it is functioning. And my friend, if I just, let me first of all do this. So if I use 2 fingers, then I tap, it will activate the right click option, right? So if I come here, for example, on this very icon, then I tap with 2 fingers, it will assume that is a right click. And my friend, I can now say open in new window and all that, and I can absolutely operate this very icon. And also what I like about this app is that if I'm playing music, I just come here, I can add volume, I can increase the volume, I can now go to the next song, I can pause it, I can reduce the volume and all that. Also, I can now come to like this, and all the apps that are on the toolbar of my laptop are being shown here. My friend, I can access them when I'm at this very place. My friend, you can come here and now edit your very settings. Maybe you want to increase the speed, or you want to reduce the scroll, or all that. So my friend, I will adjust this to my liking, for example, up to that place. Then all I need to do, my friend, also is to come and check this. By default, this is unchecked, but my friend, I will advise you to check it so that your phone remains in portrait. So I'll go back, and my friend, you see this is a free account, so that's why you see an ad. All I need to do is to just close that. My friend, I can now do everything that I need. So for example, if I can just come here, the speed is too high, so if I just click once, it loads as a left click, and my friend, it is working. So if I hold on this side and just scroll, it acts like a scroll bar. I don't know if you can see something moving on my screen. Maybe you're not seeing, maybe it's out of focus, but my friend, let me try to bring it into focus, just like that. So if I can just move, you see this is working as a scroll bar. So my friend, I'm so happy. This app is mind-boggling. Wait, before we continue with this video, I would like to tell you guys that I post more videos about computer skills on this channel. The goal of this channel is to help you guys learn how to become better at computer and become competent enough in today's age. I put a lot of effort in these videos to make sure that each video works as intended. So I would appreciate it if you guys subscribed and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back into the video. Now, our last app, my friend, is called Photomath. And my friend, for those of you who are doing exams and all that, by the way, you can steal an exam using this app. I don't know how you'll carry your phone, but my friend, this app is mind-boggling. I don't know how many times I've said mind-boggling, but I just like using that word. So my friend, I can just, show you this view so that we can go to our next app and try it out, my friend. So my friend, this is how the app looks like. Let me focus. Photomath, and all I need to do is just to click on it, and my friend, it will open just like that. Give it a few moments, it's going to load, and we do some calculations. And my friend, I'm sure you are going to like this. So my friend, all I need to do is to open where I've written some of the mathematics here. I've written both simple and complex. So all you need to do is to align this very rectangle with your mathematics, right? I'm sure you can see that. Let me bring it down just like that and focus, right? So you can just align just like that, and after you align, there is a red button here. You cannot see it at the moment. This button, right? After you align, you will want to click there, right? So I'll just align this just like that, and my friend, I will take a photo. Yep. So let's give it time to process that. And my friend, it has just done for us that mathematics, and the answer is 2. If I just show steps, you can be told how the app was able to achieve that, and you can see here are the steps. So my friend, that was easy. Let's try something a bit complex. So let me just go back, and then I will align with this our second mathematics and just take a photo, a snap just like that, and it will process that. And my friend, in a twinkle of an eye, it has already done it for us. So the answer is a half, or 2 raised to negative 1. If I can just show the steps, it is going to show you everything it did in this very mathematics. You can say that was easy, my friend. So I need to show you a more complex one, integration. So if I just come here, align this and take a snap just like that, and allow this to do that mathematics. Look at that, it has done for us the mathematics. If I can show you the steps, my friend, it has shown us every bit of this very process, and it has done us very, very proud. My friend, I want to do the last one. I think I'm happy to do this. So let me do the more complex one. For those of you who know this, it is so complex. So let me just take a snap just like that, and all we need to do is to show you what it has done. I am so happy. Let me see the process, the steps. Look at that. I think I like this app. It is showing me absolutely everything. So my friend, this app is also mind-boggling, and my friend, I am so happy to show you this. I know you are also excited to see this, my friend. You can remember we put this here, so it's still doing that. I think I like that wallpaper. I will tell my friend to leave it to be there. So I think I like this, right? Look at that. Anyway, those were the 5 mind-boggling apps that I'm sure that you did not know they exist. My friend, if you like this video, feel very, very free to hit that subscribe button, and not only subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks, or tutorials. Otherwise, I hope I will see you. I will see you, and I will see you in our next video. Peace.